Okay, so we are now in part two on how to create a workbook based on a template. No? So on the part one is we created a workbook by using the ChatGPT project. Okay. So anyway, there will be more videos but what I provided is ano siya. Uh, Ito siyang basic, no? And that you can uh, chat as is or improve it, no? Modify, i-review nimong output, and then refer to the template. Then so there's the advantage is already there. So anyway, ang kini siya nga video part, no, is how to create a workbook by direct chatting using a specific prompt. Okay. Now, when it comes to prompting, I think there is really this perfect kind of prompt. There's this basic prompt. No? With the latest model, some will say, nga, di na kinahanglan mo prompt. But as I've interacted, I could consider myself expert pa. But usahay mas maayo gid gyapon nga na kay proper prompt kaysa kanang broad prompting. Okay? Nga mo na kag nag-command na. So anyway, let's proceed. So, going to share this. Okay, so we're back here in ChatGPT. So ang atong gamiton nga model is ang 5.2 but thinking because ang auto is usually say mo skip siya, mas instant iyang gamiton kaysa thinking. So in here, same gyapon, no? Going to upload first the uh, this is the prompt. Akong giingon ninyo, I don't know makita ba. Okay, so it's not. So I changed na kung i-share na po. It's here. Okay. So muna siya ang prompt. It's quite long. So I have a prompt before and ako siyang gi-pa-improve. So kini siya is literally based ni siya sa prompt na ko sa una and gipa-improve na ko with AI of course, no? So itagan niya role, systems, and task. So anyway, so task na kayo siya discuss will focus on the um, how to make prompts. Okay? So although na mo ingon nga most on the special FB groups, mingon sila nga casual prompting ka na mo ra nag-converse, okay, I need you to create this and most mo work daw siya kay sila ni but when it comes to complex task na mag-need na siya inani. Okay, so what I do is I'll copy this. So anyway, ako na siyang i-upload or download and mo ni siya no, instruction niya diha. So this prompt is designed kung siyang upload mo tayo sa siya nga subject and then of course mo pwede upload ang template una then imo i-paste ang prompt then mo na siya kung sa subject and then wala mo response na and then you need to upload files needed o sa available or sa ma-prepare nimo. So copy everything and then mo shift o balik sa ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it here. First, I'm gonna upload the template. Okay, here's the template. Tapos yung upload. Now it's uploading. I'm gonna paste that, send it, wait for the response. Then he asks questions. So number one, I'm gonna answer. So what subjects are we working for this workbook? Course title, so program. Okay, so intro, introduction to animal science, then uh, first year, college, animal science students that for specific focus ko na. Okay? So please upload all references you have prepared, syllabus, CMO, course outline, lesson plans, textbooks, outcomes, so multiple files at once. Once upload type fast. So ako say lang nga, I will upload the files on the next step. Okay? I can upload that here, but since murag one thing I've noticed na mas may focus di niyo mo siya i-bombard tanan. So, ako siyang pa-analyze on yung response and then sa next is i-upload na ko what is available for me. Okay, like what I've said, like this first video, I only have the syllabus and some, kung saan siya, lecture manuals and laboratory manuals. Okay, now, the files can upload, I think, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, I know you can validate that, I think up to 5, no, or more. But what I've noticed is the more na siya, um, medyo mabikil na siya usahay. So pwede nimo ingnon nga I will upload the files one chat after the other, no? Nga in sequence, first the syllabus, dinana, and then you interact after. So anyway, I chose this approach. So there it is. So do not proceed unless, okay, that's okay now. So add files. Intro to Ansai. Hmm. So I'll go first to the syllabus. Load na po na. Why two? Because these are two different templates sa syllabus and I just want nga ma-compare niya because I think naa sa previous, it's present sa previous yung syllabus but no longer on the other but still relevant. So, ano to the next. Let's go now to the lecture manual here. So I have two manuals. Let's wait for that. Okay, it's done. Now the laboratory. Okay, now I don't know kung na-upload na ba siya. Tana? Yeah. Okay, so let's copy this. Files ready. Reading documents. Again, the output for this is not perfect. No, at least it cuts you time. So you cross-refer, you go to the template, look at it, and then interact as is na lang. Okay? The problem with direct chat is the tokens or the number of amount of chats that you can, mahurot siya, magpataka na siya, and then you have to start on the other, on a new chat, no? Then you have to copy paste na po the prompt. Okay, let's move to the next part, text by correction. This was the original prompt. Although mo connect sa memory, but it will take time. No? So this is good kung in one go, okay na siya. And then you're going to copy paste on another. And then, dito na ka mo improve. Chat na po ka. Okay? So, yeah. So, then na siya, cover. So, may suggest siya, you may place one course relevant cover. So, mana siya, no? So, section complete. So, is this section complete? Kaya section by section man siya. So, cover page na nag-una. So, institution, Negros. So, section complete. Kung okay na nimo. So, type yes. So, copy lang ka. Okay, yes lang itong Now, before I forget, no? Sa references, if you want nga all references cited, no, both diri ug ngadto, just chat nga muna, you need relevant references. So usually, kung na kay books, you can upload it on a separate chat dito sa project. But dire is you can upload it one by one or imo sa siyang i-prompt sa another. Anyway, na ko other video and upon on how you can extract references on books sa chat. Okay? Imo siyang copy paste pagka man taga mga overview, ayan, analyze and i-paste there. Okay? So this is the overview. So ang section by section is sa template. Okay? Section complete. Now do that until mo move mo. Okay, until you are finished sa workbook. Okay, so I hope you get the point. But then again, kung okay na, I suggest nga mo siyang ika-anam-anam mo copy paste sa Word file kay para og mag-correct ka, pwede na nimo nga humanon sa itanan, then mag-correct ka sa another chat na pod, no? And then imo na inon nga, okay, let's correct this ebook or this draft section by section based on template. Yeah, wait for my next nga command. Casual na lang. Okay? Kaya naman siya prior memory ani or naman siya gibasihan. Okay? So, type yes. Kung okay na siya, type yes. Una kay correction, revise, then usay mong instruction. Okay? Remember, mapuno na siya diha, tas na kayo, and bro, nagpataka, ligid siya, because this is not the premium or the pro. Then, go to the another chat, no? Let's continue with my intro to Ansai workbook. This was the primary prompt, kapitong to ng prompt, and we left at asa mo nagpan ka na siya ng section there. Then continue na po. Okay? So, sample okay na siya. Copy ka diha. Then, yes, nabog ka. Humanin mo review, okay na siya. You look at the template and so on na. Okay? So, that's it. And once again, thank you